anything after Ava Labs. What's Kathy doing? What's Kathy doing?
I'm gonna go kick out the other people in the aisle.
Yeah, kick out the aisle. Wait, yeah, that's what happens. On YouTube, right? You guys are doing it on YouTube? We did it on YouTube. I don't know.
Wait, yeah, you guys scheduled it for YouTube. Okay. All right, you guys, can I get a mic check?
Yeah. We checked the mic, but it doesn't connect to the other.
I'm the technician who's solving that. Mic check. 1, 2. Mic check. Microphone check. Okay, you guys hear that? I need you to say that one more time. Mic check, but in 15 seconds. I gotta go across, okay?
Yeah. I'm doing 1 minute starting at Ava Labs.
Yep.
Emily, we got him to come. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check.
Mic check, 1, 2.
They don't have the airplay code there, so I'm gonna check it. Wi-Fi announcement real quick?
Hi, everybody. We're going to ask again if you can get off the Stanford Wi-Fi. We're running something on the big screen here and in the overflow auditorium over there, so we want to make sure everyone has as smooth an experience as possible. Thanks for bearing with us, and appreciate it if you could get off the Stanford Wi-Fi. Thank you.
Did the video they sent you have sound? If you unplug it, does it have sound?
Yeah, it does. Wait, where do I, this is the sound one. It's on the HXL AV.
Do any of you have speakers?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, bro, we gotta start.
It's fine. You guys are fine.
We're just gonna mic it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then put the mic next to your speaker. It's okay.
Yeah, it will.
No, it
No, it'll
will.
play,
He's
yeah.
gonna play it from.
Why isn't this percent?
Does it have Ethernet in this one?
We have the giant Bluetooth speaker, right?
Is that here?
Can we go get that as a backup plan? Where's the Bluetooth speaker? I'll go run and get it.
I don't know. I don't know.
NVIDIA? It's an NVIDIA?
Wait.
Can we just try it?
Sure.
Why don't you just play the video at the end? They'll go get the speaker, play the video.
It's supposed to be connected to this.
That doesn't work. It's airplane.
Okay, just play the video at the end instead of at the start. Yeah, as like a closing thing. Play it at the end. I think just get started now. Theo's going to get the Bluetooth speaker. Play in the middle. How do you connect?
No, let's just wait. Let's just do the slideshow.
No, play it at the end.
Wait. Just slideshow it.
Or as soon as he comes back with the speaker. They don't have another one.
Okay, skip the slide. It takes like 30 seconds. Wait, just skip the video. Skip. Okay, just wait. No. It's not.
Theo's gonna go get the speaker, he'll bring it
We'll-
back.
we'll
and
do
then
it at
you
the
can
end.
connect it to the speaker, play the video at the end. Or in the middle, maybe between the sponsor prizes and the TreeHacks prizes.
Yeah, we'll just see.
I
We'll
think
see.
Theo will be back in time for that.
Okay, we're good. Thank you, Maya. Okay, I'll just use mine and then everything. You should have sent one of us to test this. Well, let's just do it at the end. Let's end on it. We're waiting. Wait, where's the guy who is helping us? It's not even like working up there. This is insane.
Luke, why that's the issue I do?
Alright. What is happening? Wait, are you pressing that?
No, they just close it. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go off.
What is happening?
Someone's like,
wow. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Okay, everyone. Thank you for your incredible patience. We're going to skip a few steps and just jump into the logistics and then the prizes. And then, if we have time, we'll have the fun little closing ceremony details. But we'll try to get you on your way. So once again, thank you for your patience. Before we dive into the prizes, we just have a couple quick announcements. For flight reimbursements, if you flew in using Agencia, we're going to be sending an email next week with a few deadlines and forms you need to fill out. Please, please, please pay attention to these deadlines and fill out the forms. If you don't, there's not much we can do about it. You'll then be sent a check in the mail a couple weeks after to reimburse your flight. For prize handout, if you win a prize, collect it after the ceremony through these doors. Have your government and student ID ready. If you're picking up for a teammate, have a message from your teammate with a screenshot of their government ID saying you can pick it up. And then in a week or so, you have to fill out this tax ID form that Stanford will send you. Okay, so now for the fun part. We have over $180,000 in prizes for hackers today. We're going to start off with sponsor prizes and then end with our TreeHacks prizes, and then finally the TreeHacks grand prize for the Moonshot winner. Okay, so to kick things off from Cotopaxi for the most innovative sustainability hack with their Alpa 35-liter backpacks, we have Spark in first place and Carbon Cut in second place. Let's give them a round of applause.
All right, congratulations. For the next one, we have the best identity credential application hack. And the prize is 4 Ledger Nano S Plus and $100 cross-mint credit per member. So we have MindMint. Oh, what's that? MindMint, yeah, congrats.
And then in first place with 2 Rabbit R1s, we have Med to Mint.
Next, we have prizes from Postman. The best use of an API with Postman goes to NoWaste.ai.
And next, we've got the best voice experience by Whisper AI, and the prize goes to Dialogue X AI.
All right, and then from HRT for the best use of data with HRT mechanical keyboards and mouse set per team member, we have Bino Soros.
All right, and for our senior citizen prize, we have Oasis.
From ParaVC, we have most likely to get funded hack, which goes to Shard.
Monster API's TBD. We'll announce that later.
And then from Canva, we have the best new Canva app submission, and the prize is wireless headphones, and it goes to Kanga.
All right, and then from Reflex for the best use of Reflex with a $1,000 cash prize, we have VLY.ai and Truckers.
All right, and from Neo, for the most likely to become a business prize for airfare and accommodations to the Neo Summer Retreat, we have AI Accountant.
And from Warp, we have the best developer tool by Warp. And they'll get Keytron keyboards and Warp tumblers. This goes to ScratchML.
And then by the BTB group, we have the most informed physicians prize, And the prize is $400 to $500 gift card coupons and an internship interview, which goes to Good Samaritan.
For Caldera, we have the best use of Caldera, which is $1,000 in Ethereum. We have Estimate.
Also for Caldera, the most creative on-chain hack, we have Proof Picks.
Next up is the prize from Reason Holding. The best senior focus hack winning round trip tickets to Tokyo goes to Baymax.
And then from Paradrones, we have the best use of drone technology, and the prize is an Anafi AI drone going to Horus.
And then from CoFrame, for the best AI hack, winning an NVIDIA RTX 4080 GPU, Synthesis.
And from CodeGen, for the best use of AI agents, for $3,000, we have Vision Mama.
And from Osuka Valunex with the best hack to connect with others through food with 500 DoorDash credits and 250 spa credits goes to VR Times.
And then from Ava Labs, we have the best consumer use case for blockchain, which is 1.5K in cash split between teammates. We have two winners, Estimate and TrustFile.
Also from Ava Labs, we have the best decentralized application with 1.5K in cash. That's Z Knowledge Base. Is Ava Labs in here right now, Avalanche? Do you want to say a quick thing? Do you have your prize with you? Sweet.
Hey everybody. This was a great hackathon, probably one of the best, the best hackathon I've ever been to in person. So it was very, very tough picking just two prizes, right? So we picked three. And we split the first one between two amazing teams, and the third one between an amazing team as well. And so one more round of applause for those teams. And we also have an accelerator program that they're going to get fast-tracked an interview for as well. So thank you for everyone.
Thank you, Ava Labs. And then is Roblox here?
Okay, so Roblox is in here for our Visionary Award. The prize as a Roblox backpack, Roblox blanket, and a $100 gift card per team member. Questy.
And is Vespa AI here?
Hello guys. So the prize for the best hack using a large language models, we had 130 something. It's an amazing number. So we couldn't see all of you. Sorry about that. But the idea that won was amazing. They realized people like me are lazy. I tried to learn French. I did for many years. I still haven't done it. The French has to come to me. These guys just integrate language translation into your website using a plugin. So I can just read my regular web pages and I'll see French. So with their help, I'll be French speaking and can order more than burgers. And it's Langer. Congratulations. And the cloud API hack using Vespa is a bit challenging, but the amazing team that did this will kick Yelp, out of business really fast now. It's Group Grub. Congratulations.
Is Bun here?
Hey everybody, it was really great to see everybody using Bun throughout the hackathon, so thank you all so much. So many people were using Bun. We had two categories, one for best use of Zig, which is the language that Bun is written in, and then best use of Bun. And for Zig, we were really impressed by this project, and giving it to Docker C. And then for best use of Bun, like we said, really excited about everyone using Bun, but we ultimately decided to go with Echo. Thank you.
Human cap.
All right. Sure. You can do whatever. All right, first of all, can we give it up for the TreeHacks team, guys? They've been fucking amazing. Yeah, so in our name, Human Cap, our prize actually had nothing to do with the product this weekend and everything to do with the team. So it was pretty amazing meeting all of you. We tried to go through as many teams as possible throughout today, this morning. And this one team that we met, who we'll be announcing in a second, we thought they were amazing for many different reasons. First of all, such a tight, bonded group, best friends all around, and also went through a bunch of little hiccups throughout the weekend, including 2 minutes before you guys had to hand in your projects. I think they got told that they weren't allowed to hand in their project because they had cheated or there was something wrong with the system. So they started panicking, and they're up there. They know who they are. And they got through it. So, you know, we'll be announcing them in a second. We just want to say at Human Cap, that is our thesis. Up here, I've got all the team on the university team. If you're a young founder trying to build something cool and want to speak to a venture capital firm, by all means, reach out. So, you guys, if you don't support the Warriors, I'm sorry. Click here.
Is Y Combinator or Yoneda here?
Okay, go for it.
Hi everyone. It's been a great hackathon, definitely the biggest one I've ever been to. All right, so we're founders of Yoneda Labs. We're part of the current Y Combinator batch, and we're building a foundational model to help chemists deliver drugs faster and develop them faster. And Jan will tell you more about our challenge.
So in our challenge, we were looking for prototypes that solve an issue that your team faces. And so working efficient prototype that solves like a really pressing issue in a very elegant and a novel way. And I'm sure all of you spent countless hours coding and debugging your code. So that's why our winner is the company that automates code debugging, and it's the Code Repair.
Come find us to get your office hour. Thank you.
Is Together AI here? No? Okay, we'll announce it for you. For the best project built on open source AI programs and models with 2,500 in Together API credits and a pair of AirPods Max, we have Echo.
And then for the best use of Together AI, we have $2,500 in Together API credits and a pair of AirPod Maxes with the winner. How do you say this word? Dang.
Ephemeral. Ephemeral. Ephemeral? There we go. QED protocol want to come up? After increasing their top prize from 2 to 5,000 in cash, let's give them a round of applause.
I mean, initially we were just going to give one $5,000 prize, but there was another really great team that we liked. But ultimately, the $5,000 prize we're giving to ProofPix. Sylviana and Kaylee did an amazing job integrating like ZK-VM technology. They were the only project that we came across that were using like modern ZK-VMs, and we're really impressed. I believe they're undergrads, and yeah, it's just really exciting to see two very fresh ZK engineers coming into the space. And then we also had Verivote, a really, really great product, really awesome idea. Still working on some of the integrations with ZK, but I think it'll be really promising, and very excited to see them flesh it out into a bigger product. And then Aros also had a very, very cool proof of concept for some perhaps ZK adjacent technology, and we're also really happy to see them building privacy technologies. So yeah.
You can. Yeah. You want to come down?
Who wants their prize? Anyone here?
Wait, let's do it outside after. Yeah, that'll be easier. They're prepared. Is InterSystems here? Awesome.
Agile. All right. Hey, it was really great to see everybody that tried to use our vector search, and a lot of people had great success. So thanks so much for that. We had 3 prizes. So guess for the third prize, memory lane. Really cool use of vectors and for a kind of senior-focused application. Then for second prize, 1500 Kaleido, another very interesting application, very complicated, and in the news space. Oops, wrong button, sorry. Turned it all off. Okay, then for the first prize, 2,000 cash, flip side. So, absolutely cool. Oh, actually, I think you guys might have flipped them. That wasn't right, was it? Okay. We might have, anyways. Yeah. I know flip side is the winner.
All right, we'll contact you after. Round of applause. Convex.
Convex. All right, cool. All right, so Convex is a full backend as a service platform. Think about us as a modern day Firebase. And want to say thanks for all the hackers using Convex over the weekend. We saw a lot of companies, a lot of apps. Let's go to, let me see. Third place is Spark. Woo! Second place, $500 goes to Dermer Detect. Yo! And first place, $1,250 in cash, 6 months of Convex Pro goes to Metaflow. All right, congrats everyone. It's a great hackathon, congrats to you.
Fetch. Let's give him a round of applause.
It's been an amazing weekend, and thank you all for participating. This is my first ever hackathon, and I'm amazed to see what has come out. So even if you have not won the prize from Fetch, I must want to say that I really would like to see you after and build on Fetch. So we've got, and also we had initially given 3 prizes, but because of the projects we've seen, we have added 1 more extra. So we have got first prize, which is an iPad, and that was who actually used our success tree really well, means all the 6 components that we asked for as part of the matrix. And that goes to Study Suite. Amazing work, guys. Amazing. So the second and third was a sponsorship project, which we want, although they did not finish the project, and it was really good. And we want them to continue building on the project. So we are giving 3 prizes for building on Fetch and carrying on with their project. First one is Healthiator, and Great AI and Possum. Really good. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.
All right, Terra API.
First of all, a huge thanks to the organizing team. This is the first hackathon we've ever been to where stuff is actually on time. So thank you guys for that. Except this. But everything else been awesome. So thank you guys. Oh, no, stop it. That's fine. Cool. Apart from this, yeah, we had a super fun time with all you guys during the weekend. Whether that was building on top of Terra API, connecting your various wearables, spying on my sleep data, because I gave you guys my username and password for some reason. But it seemed that the hoodies that we were giving out were also super sought after, so much so that people kept coming and stealing them while we weren't looking. Which and if we ever want to pivot, I guess we can go into the textile design industry. That's something. But cool. Without further ado, for our prizes for the most commercially viable hack, this was something that's super relevant to us right now and that we'd love to develop with you guys further for a customer that we're actually onboarding right now. So the winner is Trucker ZZZZZ. You guys are also getting hoodies, but we gave them to the organizing committee, but it seems like one of them might have stolen one of them, so we only have 3 now. So that's for this prize. And now for our main health track prize, the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. It was a super cool hack that we thought made use of new technology in an interesting way and really blended Terra API well into it. And we can't wait to see what else you guys build going forward. And that would be for Good Samaritan. You want to come? Come up on stage to pick up your prize since you're here. Real quick. Go. We go. Oh, are we done? Wait, what was the timer? Okay. Come up. Quick, faster. Okay, not that fast. Here you guys go. Oh, and you get a limited edition Terra gym bag, of course. We only had one left, though. Who knows why?
Thank you.
Cool.
Is Taisu here? Round of applause.
So thank you so much for incredible applications. I'm like absolutely amazed to see your hard work, dedication throughout the weekend. It was so great to see your energy. We wanted to award all of you, but we needed to, just stick to 3. But we have the first most innovative DeFi award goes to FedExFi. And then the second creative platform award goes to Sonoverse. Super well done. And then the last, but definitely not the least, on the Web3 gaming, will go to Estimate. So congrats for all hackers. Whatever you did this weekend, I think you did amazing. And if you can come to us after the winners, we just make sure that we get your contact details so we can wire the crypto afterwards. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's a great note. Sponsors, stay down here after the ceremony, and if you won, come and find your sponsor to connect. We'll also connect you via email next week. Is Keegan with Stanford Ecopreneurship here? Not quite. Okay. So we have 3 prizes. Oh, Dr. Hummel, yeah.
The Ecopreneurship Initiative at Stanford is a combination of the School of Sustainability and the School of Business. Keegan Cook, who is its leader, is not here. My name is Holmes Hummel, and I'm the Managing Director for Equity and Inclusion at the Institute for Energy. I'm also the resident fellow for the Explore Energy House that had 6 teams here, I think. I'm super excited. Listen to you. And sustainability hasn't been featured as much as we want, so I'm thrilled that Keegan came through with a big prize. And I'd like for Luke to tell us who it is.
All right, so we have, there were 3 Stanford Ecopreneurship Challenges. We don't know actually which one of you won which one, but the prizes are all the same. So we're going to announce all 3 right now. That's Lead Bud, Spark, and Carbon Insight. Intel, come on down.
Hey guys, thank you all so much. You guys did such an amazing job this weekend, and we had so much fun interacting with all of you. All the projects that were in our track were amazing, so congrats to you all. If you won one of our prizes, please find us afterwards. We want to take a picture of you and figure out how to give you your prizes. We need to get your contact and all that stuff. So for 3rd place, right? Yeah, 3rd place, we have Memory Playground. Oh, wait, no. Memory Playground. I'm just going to say it, okay, because I have it on my phone. 3rd place, we have Memory Playground. 2nd place, we have Scratch ML. Yes. First place, we have Meshworks. Woo! All right. One last thing, we did have a raffle for a Lenovo AI PC. So the winner for that, please come to us after as well, Rose Cheek. Woo! Thank you, everybody.
Amazing. Thank you, Intel. Okay, that concludes our incredible sponsor prizes. We're now going to announce our 11 TreeHacks prizes. If you receive one of these, please stay in the auditorium after, and we'll get you your prize.
First of all, the best hardware hack is given to a team who really excelled at integrating different parts of hardware, and they will win Prusa 3D printers. This prize goes to Recollect.
And then we've got the best beginner hack. We define beginners as people who've never been to a hackathon before. And the prize is a Razer mechanical keyboard and mouse. And we were super blown away by your project. It was NAB 3D.
Okay, for the most creative hack, we wanted projects that judges and your friends and mentors would see and just go, wow, you're thinking outside the box, you're maybe doing something very niche. The prize being Nintendo Switches for everyone on the team, and that's show and tell.
Okay, for most technically complex, we wanted to see a project completely focused on the project's technical nature. And in this, for this one, we had someone build a Docker compiler in 36 hours, which was kind of insane. Docker C.
And then for the most impactful hack, we are looking for hackers who really change the blueprint for what future generations could be looking like. And this prize is winning Apple Watch Series 9 going to Good Samaritan. We would like to welcome them up to the stage. Come on up.
Can we plug this in also? We're like low on battery and everything. What? Can you play the video? No, we don't have them up and play the video. They're focused on the plan. We don't have them. We don't have them. Oh yeah, that's okay. It's okay. Upstage. Oh, sorry guys, you're playing like the live demo, so just gonna set it up. Plug it in. We don't need the audio.
So we first want to introduce ourselves. We tried the demo. If it doesn't work, we're gonna play the video. Yes.
Yeah.
Can we use this?
Connected.
Ah, wait. Is it connected?
Yeah.
All right, you're up.
Okay, cool. What mirror? No, not yet. Hello, everyone. We are Good Samaritans. My name is Ray. I'm a sophomore at Stanford University. And
I'm Shitaro. I'm a sophomore from Columbia.
I'm Shlok. I'm a freshman at UCLA.
yes, we are so honored to have this prize, and we want to introduce our product. Okay, we're going to show the demo and tell you how it works. So we're
No, just wear the headphones and go.
So I'll be mirroring my view I have here. Mirror.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be mirroring. Okay.
Yeah.
You see the view I have? Hi guys. So.
Is the model running? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So please take a look first while we've built.
Okay, so we're gonna start from me. So I have a seizure and I'm no.
Yes. Oh my God! No, it's not yes. Okay, someone fell down, and he has a seizure. So first, what we have to do here is to make sure that he's not flat. We have to make sure that he's tilted like this. This is because that. I know. But he's not able to breathe. So he's not able to breathe with the saliva when he's on flat. But so that is the reason we have to make this his body tilt like this. And the screen here you're showing is that when it's flat, so it shows that you have to turn the body sideways. And now you have to continue turning sideways, and then finally, okay, you have to maintain sideways position and support the head. And support the head. Does anyone have clothes? No, it's fine. I'll have like my hand here, and I'll be supporting. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, yeah, that'll be helpful. Thank you so much, someone. And yes, so now what we're going to do is his blood pressure drops, and we will change this to the immersive view. Take a look. So now you see the purple circle here, which will be indicating the location of the chest. Now, we will be explaining how it works later, but we'll be, okay. I'll be pressing this for 30 seconds. That's how it works.
Okay, so I think
that's the demo, but I'm just going to explain what just happened here, right? So, okay. Yeah. So for what just happened here, first, I had a seizure and I fell down, which means I need to be tilted, because if there's saliva when I'm flat down, I could choke and die. So that's the first feature that we displayed, where he's tilting me and it's basically showing the tilt. And after you achieve the tilt, it's asking you to like support my head, because I could get a paralysis if my head is down, like tilted downwards. So that was the prompt there. And then we then move on to a second use case where my blood pressure drops to 0. Now, in an ideal case, we'd have like a Fitbit on where you get like live reading of your blood pressure. And if it does become 0, then it automatically takes you onto CPR, which is what that magenta circle was for. So now, when I like sleep back down, it's basically pointing the magenta circle onto my chest, like in the middle where it's optimal to do the CPR. And you basically have to do 1.5 pumps or like beats per second, which is the optimal value for a CPR, right? So it basically like expands and contracts for exactly 1.5 beats per second to help the user kind of do that. And this is our hack. So basically, we thought that we could implement VR to save people from emergencies, right? Because like today, it's like the first 5 to 10 minutes after there is an emergency is the most critical point that there is to save a person. And it takes like 7 minutes for like 911 to come. So that's what we built. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Good Samaritan. Okay, so for those of you who were at the end of opening ceremony, you know what the grand prize is. If you weren't, you probably saw it at the front. We wanted to do something special. Well, actually, hold on, TBD, we're not there yet. Backtracking, let's do education first. So the education, we had 5 tracks this year, focused on problems that we thought were the most important to be solving. And it was a way for hackers and teams to get a jump start on solving some of these problems. For the education track grand prize, we're giving away Quest 3 devices to everyone on the team, and that's Lingua Franca.
Okay, and for our health track grand prize, with a prize of O-rings, we have therapies.
And for our sustainability track grand prize, we have, the prize is Patagonia jackets, Sky Splat.
And then for the blockchain and security track grand prize, we have JBL party boxes. And the prize goes to Zorg.
And then lastly, for our track for entertainment and interaction, the prize is 36-inch curved gaming monitors going to 3D Real. Oh, that was the demo from earlier. Wait, why? Okay, now for the Moonshot Grand Prize. Like we mentioned at opening, we wanted to do something special for our 10th year anniversary. And what's special about this event are all of you that stay up for 36 or more hours and bus in for 7 hours from SoCal and fly from around the world to compete every year at TreeHacks. So the prize for the grand prize Moonshot team is $10,000 in cash. And the winner...
Baymax!
Baymax, you want to come on down? So what you're about to see from Baymax is pretty impressive. They used a robotic arm from Reason and coded all of the inverse kinematics from scratch. They made their own animation methods for the arm and coded 3 CNNs also from scratch to detect and recognize faces and specifically the center of the mouth. And it, as they'll explain, helps feed and provide pills or drinks to patients who cannot do that themselves. They then used a lot of prompt engineering to take oral input and convert that into robotic movements. Do you all want to explain a little bit more about your project?
Hey everyone, my name is Krish Parekh. I'm a freshman here at Stanford.
I'm Jacob Janani. I'm also a freshman at Stanford.
My name is Arav Wattal. I'm a freshman here at Stanford.
I'm James Chen. I'm also a freshman here at Stanford.
Believe it or not, this is also our first hackathon. Okay, so I wanted to provide a bit of background behind our project. Before we came to the hackathon, one of our members, Arav, was hospitalized, and he had to experience sort of living in a condition where he couldn't really do the things he wanted to with his hands. Furthermore, members of our team have had elders, have had grandparents who have been visually impaired. So this problem was really something that hit close to home. So when we saw a robot arm at the desk of a sponsor somewhere in the corner that makes anime games, we thought we should check it out. We spoke with Hero and Sky, and they were some of the nicest people we've met, also Stanford alums. And we're like, hey, can we use your robot arm? That would be a really cool hack. And they're like, oh yeah, of course, that would be amazing. And then 30 hours later with no sleep, we are here, and we've won this. So that was pretty cool. Are you guys gonna show a video or? Okay. So I want to, I guess you can pause it real quick. I'll do some brief explanation. God, I'm kind of struggling to speak here. But basically, what we did is we wanted to sort of build a device which would treat elder people who maybe have a loss of vision, people with Parkinson's who might have a loss of dexterity, or people with any form of paralysis, like a human being, and basically offer them a helping hand. I mean, these are people who they will go through their lives not being able to sort of manipulate objects in their environment. And if you're not able to afford a nursing home, or you're not able to afford a caretaker or have someone take care of you, and maybe you have like a daily medication, it can be extremely difficult to sort of live your life properly. Your simple ability to not open and like feed yourself pills could literally threaten your life. So that was sort of our motivation. At its core, I'll just explain it really briefly. We basically have a computer vision powered robot arm. I mean, we've seen that before, but I think what makes our project really, really special is that we have a natural language layer on top of it, where what we can do is we can give it like a really messy conversation, like, hey, I want this blue pill, I don't want this purple pill, maybe give me the pink pill after. It'll take that, generate pseudocode. Based off of that pseudocode, we will interpret it, and we'll be able to generate some paths for a robot arm to follow. And we cooked up a demo that we thought was pretty cool. And because it's a healthcare robot, we named it Baymax. Fun fact, it's my little brother's birthday today, and his favorite Pixar movie is Big Hero 6. So this was pretty personal to me. Anyways, yeah, you can roll a demo. Thank you. One moment, we're experiencing some AV issues. Yeah, sure, I'll voice over. Yeah, No, it's okay.
We may not do a demo. It's on your dev post, right?
Okay, yeah. You guys can check out our dev post. It's called Baymax. What is it, like your personal healthcare companion? And FYI, the sounds that we use are taken directly from Big Hero 6. So we highly recommend you guys watch that movie. It's really wholesome. And thank you guys so much. TreeHacks was an amazing experience. Okay, I guess not. Okay, give us 10 seconds.
Maybe 15 seconds.
Maybe 15 seconds.
Use your dev post.
Okay, well, you guys can use our dev post. Thank you so much.
Oh. Hey.
The person there is James. He also has not slept in the last 30 hours. Okay, so over here we're offering a natural language command, and what's happening over here is we're sending it to GPT-4 to generate pseudocode. We then interpret that pseudocode, and we play some animations to pick up the blue pill, as he mentioned. And then we had 3 convolutional neural networks, which might be overkill, and some inverse kinematics, so we track him moving around, and we have enough dexterity where we can actually go ahead and feed him. So as you can see, he closes his mouth, and it pops right out. And then here, that's a catchphrase from Big Hero 6. Are you satisfied with your care? Yeah, it's pretty cool. So now we give more of a complex natural language instruction with some ordering to test the pseudocode and the algorithm generation. And yeah, flawless kinematics. It tracks his head really nicely with good dexterity. He takes a bite and pops right off. Very cool. And then as you can see, it goes for the purple one, because we have that great algorithm. Yeah, so we were kind of freaking out because we just finished our hack like 2 minutes before that. Yeah, had to throw that one in. Thank you.
Do we have a speaker? Hey, guys, do we have the speaker to play the ceremony, the closing ceremony? How does it work?
You gotta, it's turn it on. Jason.
Oh.
What's that?
All right, thank you for coming to TreeHacks 2024 and your patience in this ceremony. We hope to see you next year. That was a disaster. What the fuck happened?